welcome back. It's Michelle
and Miguel,
and today we're gonna do another talk, and this time it's my turn to my version of Golem.
Throughout film history, the first ever Golem to be represented in film, or in this case a silent film, is way back in 1920. There's a silent movie called The Golem, and it's quite similar to Frankenstein except good, and the town actually admired the Golem and became a protector of the town. But in the end, much like the gingerbread man, the Golem sets off in a rampage because he's being forgotten about by its master, and so it became destructive. Up until today, golems have taken on two different forms, either a humanoid disguised as a real human but not really, or a rock elemental. So in Michelle's version, I noticed that tell us a little bit more about your version of the golem, because it looks kind of unique.
I was kind of debating whether to go the traditional route of what a golem looks like, and so I was actually inspired specifically by this concept design of a golem character in Fire Emblem. I don't play much games, unfortunately, but it's got this Iron Maiden look design. I thought that's really cool because generally with that kind of design you think of a protector of some sort. So I like this idea that Golem is a protector, which is obviously kind of a huge theme in the Golem of Prague, where he was brought to life to protect the town. So I made mine sort of like a protector type warrior. And there were some, if you look up Golem, there are a lot of photos of life-size stone designs where they have a crack in the middle, and so I wanted to incorporate that in my design. Bear with me, but for whatever reason I wanted to go Latin American look to it. I don't know if you can tell, but I was kind of looking at a lot of Aztec artifacts and how I don't know, I was just
it makes sense now because of we don't often see that type of golem. It's often very typical rock formations or something more western and more alluding to ancient England or medieval England, such as Fire Emblem. So in this case, it's you could see that the designs are very foreign and something we don't often see a lot, but at the same time it is a rock sort of copper-esque element to it, so you can sense that it is a golem, just not the type of golem we often see. And I like how in the middle, is that hollow or
okay, it's weird, but I wanted him as if he's floating above the life force that's keeping him alive, which is I don't know, I'm just okay.
Yeah, you may have wanted to add some kind of glowy aura, but besides that, I think that's great. It's nice, okay, you could tell it's magical, not mechanical.
I kind of didn't want to go with the original clay type texture and go for more a sturdier material, and I actually like this a lot, to be honest. Actually, I feel like this would be the type of golem that's at rest before his next activation. And
that's good.
Yeah. You know what this reminds me of now that I think about it? Do you remember those big rock giants that appear in the Atlantis film? The Disney movie Atlantis?
Another perfect example.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes. They may not have been explicitly called golems, but they are the essence of it. So in your version, I think you've captured the essence of the golem. So let us know what you think. Although I personally think there's no way you could fight. Because the whole point of a golem is to create and summon a superior defense. So in fact, I think this golem, it would have definitely kicked my golem's butt.
No, I think they would be besties,
Oh, well, yeah, that's a possibility.
Because you normally don't see golems together, or there's not many of them in a single space. They're usually alone, which is kind of sad if you think about it.
Yeah.
Aww, lonely
well,
golems.
Give us some positive comments, please, because golem will be lonely, needs friends.
Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed us just literally rambling on about our love for robotic little creatures. Well, not really little, but what we're talking about.
Well, definitely not the little golem from Lord of the Rings. That's different.
Well, we'll see you guys around. Bye!